Hello everyone, I'm Nick Miller, Product Specialist here at Teguar, and I'm very excited to introduce the newest member of our product lineup, the TB-6185 Industrial Edge Computer. To start off with, I want to talk about something that is very obvious looking at it, and that is the sheer abundance of I/O available here. On the front of the unit, we have 6 USB 2.0 ports for any peripherals you need to hook up, and on the back, we have 4 USB 3.2 ports for higher bandwidth. Those of you who have older serial style connections, we do have 2 DE9 COM ports available, as well as 2 spots to expand out and add 2 more COM ports or 2 CAN bus ports if you need them for your application. Now, there is another DE9 port on this unit. It's here on the front. This DE9 port is an 8-channel DIO port. For internet connection, we can install Wi-Fi in this unit. Wi-Fi will be supported via a module inside, but there are 4 spots to install Wi-Fi antennas. These antennas can be configured in whichever way you need based on where you're going to be mounting this unit. And we have 2 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports. Now, for AV support, we have dual monitor support via both HDMI and DisplayPort. We also have a line out, and on the front, we've got a mic in. We also have, for those of you who need to put this unit farther away from where it'll be operated, there are not 1 but 2 spots, one on the back of the unit, one on the front of the unit, to wire up your own power switch. We also have a very nice tactile power button on the front of the unit, as well as on the back, a grounding screw to help mitigate that electrical risk in your facility. This does support a wide range of power, 9 to 36 volts DC via this DC in jack right here. This does come in the box with a 19 volt power supply. Now, the fun part is get inside the unit. So getting past the beautiful all aluminum rugged design of the unit, and inside here, we can see the board. Now, what you can't see on the board here underneath is the CPU. This does come with your choice of a 12th gen Alder Lake N CPU, either an N97 or a Core i3 N305. Now, the N97 is a very popular processor right now. It is taking the market by storm, and it's far more powerful than past Celerons. But you can also, if that's not powerful enough for you, get its big brother, the Intel Core i3 N305, which is up to 70% more powerful than that base N97. Now, taking another look inside, we do have 1 RAM slot that supports DDR5 high-speed memory, and we also have 2 options for you to install an SSD. There is both an M.2 slot in here, as well as on the bottom plate, we have a spot for you to mount a more traditional 2.5-inch SATA SSD. As you can probably see on this model right here, we have quite a large heatsink mounted on that bottom plate in place of the 2.5-inch SSD. This is actually for the M.2. If you are using an M.2, this really helps bring down those ambient temperatures and increase performance across the board. Now, inside the box of this unit, we do include both a DIN rail mounting kit and a wall mounting kit, so no matter where you need to put this unit in your facility, we'll give you the hardware to do it. Now, the best part about this whole thing is that we've got plenty of stock right now in our Charlotte headquarters, so give us a call and order today.